Hello friends, in this video I'm going to begin with the solutions to past Waec question. We are starting with the 2018 Waec past question, and this is the objective, and there you have sod 108 plus sod 125 minus sod 75. Before you can add or subtract any sods, you must ensure that they have the same number in their roots. Without them having the same number in their roots, it cannot be possible, because we can only add or subtract similar sods. So when you are giving sods like this, having different numbers in the root, break them down in such a way that one of the numbers will have square root and one will not. So sod 108 can be seen as sod 36 times 3, because 36 times 3 will give me 108, and 36 is a perfect square. Plus 125 can be seen as 25 times 5, because 25 is perfect, minus this can be seen as 25 times 3, because 25 is perfect. The square root of 36 is 6 sod 3, plus the square root of 25 is 5 sod 5, and the square root of 25 is also 5 sod 3. Now just collect like terms. This and these are similar, they have 3. 6 minus 5 is 1 sod 3, but you don't write 1, you just call it sod 3. Then plus 5 sod 5. This is just the answer, so it is option A. For the second one, we are asked to simplify 64 power of half plus 125 power of 1 over 3 all to a power of 2. This can be seen as 8 power of 2, then times 1 over 2 here, plus 125 can be seen as 5 power 3 times 1 over 3. Remember, everything to the power of 2. The reason I use 8 power of 2 is because I'm seeing 2 here, because I can even use 4 power of 3 to get 64, but I need to use 8 power of 2 because I'm seeing 2 here, so that they can cancel out. This will cancel out, this will cancel out, leaving us behind with just 8 plus 5. And 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 5, 13 to the power of 2. 13 power of 2 will give us 169, because 13 power of 2 means 13 times 13, which is 169, option C. So let's take other questions. In the third question, this is what we have, and this is a variation problem. So to solve this, we are told that y varies inversely as the square of x. Y varies inversely as the square of x. This is how to write inverse variation. Square of x means L squared. So removing proportionality sign, we have that y is equal to k all over x squared. Okay, now if I cross multiply now, I'll have that k is equal to y x squared. And remember, our x is 3 and y is 100. So seeing y, I'll put 100 times seeing x, I'll put 3 squared. So k will give me 3 squared is 9. 9 times 100 is 900. So the value of k is 900. Hence, coming here, I'll have that y is equal to, for k, 900 all over x squared. Then, if you cross multiply, you shall have that y x squared is equal to 900, because y times x squared is y x squared, and the 1 times 900 is 900. So it's option B. So let's see the third question. In the first question, we are told that 32 base 4 is equivalent to 22 base x. So we are looking for the value of x. This is number basis. We can tag here 0, 1, 0, 1. So writing in expanded form, we have this as 3 multiplied by the base 4 to the power of 1, plus this is 2 multiplied by the base 4 to the power of 0, equals 2 multiplied by the base x to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by the base x to the power of 0. 3 times 4 is 12, plus anything power of 0 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, equals 2 times x is 2x, plus anything power of 0 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So have that 14 equals 2x plus 2. These two crossing over becomes minus, so we have 14 minus 2 is equal to 2x, which implies that 2x is equal to 12, because 14 minus 2 is 12. To get x, I'll divide both sides by 2, and when I do that, you see that 12 divided by 2 is equivalent to 6. So the answer is option C, 6. So let's take the fifth question. In the fifth question, we have 2 whole number 1 over 4 times 3 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 4 whole number 3 over 8. To multiply, let's change everything to improper fraction. And when we do that, we have 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. 9 over 4 times 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. 7 over 2 divided by 8 times 4 is 32 plus 3, 35 all over 8. You can apply both the mass and division first before multiplication. So let us divide this after we multiply. This is now 7 over 2. You change division to times and turn the next fraction upside down. 8 over 35. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4. 7 here is 1, 7 here is 5. So we are having 4 all over 5 left, because 1 times 4 is 4 and 1 times 5 is 5. So finally, we are left with 9 over 4, which is here, then multiplied by 4 over 5. 4 all over 5. 4 we cancel 4. So we have 9 over 5. And this is an improper fraction, which we can change to mixed fraction. 9 divided by 5 is 1 whole number, 4 all over 5. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's take the sixth question, and this should be the last question for this video. In number 6, we are told that there are 250 boys and 150 girls in a school. If 60% of the boys and 40% of the girls play football, what percentage of the school play football? Now 60% of boys, and there are 250 boys. So number of boys will now be 60%, which is 60 all over 100, times total number of boys is 250 all over 1. This cancel out, this cancel out. 6 times 25 is 150 boys. So 150 boys are playing football. For girls, we have 40%. So number of girls will now be 40%, which is 40 over 100. Then times, there are 150 girls over 1. You cancel out. 4 times 15 will give us 60 girls. So total students playing football will now be 150 plus 60, which is 210 students. 210 students are playing football. What is the total number of students in the school? The total number of students in the school is 250 boys plus 150 girls, which is 400. There are 400 students. Hence, percentage of students playing football will be 210, which are playing football, over total 400. So you now have 210 over total of 400, then times 100 over 1, because anything percentage should be expressed as 100. 0 will cancel 0, 0 will cancel 0. 2 here is 2, 2 here is 5. So 21 times 5 will give us 110, 105, not 110, 105 all over 2. So if I divide 10 by 2, I'll have 5. If I divide 5 by 2, I'll have 2, remainder 2%. So it is 52.5%, which is option D. Expect more videos on the continuation of this. And if you've enjoyed what you watched, kindly share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and also TikTok. Thank you so much.